Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from L&T. L&T is hiring 2023, 22, 21, 20 and 2019 password batch candidates. Please note there is no percentage criteria and there will not be any coding round. So in this video I'll discuss what is the qualification required, salary package, job location, job role, how to apply, what is the last date to apply, everything I'll discuss in this video. So please watch full video for better understanding. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Before we move on to the next part of the video, I have a great news for all of you. I have already told you about the game-changing platform NextLevel by Unacademy. With NextLevel, you can improve your coding skills and even land your dream job by playing coding matches. And to top it up, the first update is that now, apart from front-end and back-end, you can also play business analytics matches at NextLevel. If you are someone who loves coding and wants to take your skills to the next level, then this is the perfect platform for you. But here is the best part, and second update is NextLevel has come up with a new product, an AI-powered resume builder. With the NextLevel AI resume builder, you can create a world-class resume in just a few minutes by filling out some basic details. As you see on the screen now, with a simple prompt, all your fields are being auto-filled according to the current job market. Trust me, it's that easy. No more spending hours trying to figure out the right words to use or the perfect format to follow. This resume builder can be used to create multiple iterations of a resume for applying different jobs. Download link is already given in the description box. Now let's move to job opportunities. So once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box, then it will redirect you on this website. Here you can read everything regarding the company. So job role will be project management, and BE and BTech candidates can apply. All branches candidates are eligible. There is no percentage criteria. Salary they did not disclose, but salary will be more than 3 lakhs per annum. Experience should be 0 to 1 years. It means freshers and experienced, all the candidates can apply. Test location and interview location both will be virtual. Job location will be Mumbai. Last date to apply they have not mentioned. It means you can apply as soon as possible before they close the application. And required skills are management skills. If you have the management skills, then you are good to apply for this job. And if you have any education gap, any active backlogs, then also you are eligible, you can apply, and you don't need to sign any bond in order to join this company. So you need to click here to apply for this job. Once you click here, then it will redirect you on this official website. Here you can read everything, right? So you can read this, you can read about the job description. So right, so how to apply? Simply you need to click here apply. Once you click here apply, then it will ask you to log in first, right? First you need to log in. After login, you need to fill the form, right? Then you are done. And if you don't have any account, then first you need to create one account. So simply you need to click here okay. Then you need to enter your email ID and password if you already have an account. If you don't have any account, simply click here new user. Then you need to enter all the details, your name, email ID, mobile number, password, and confirm password. Then click on this sign up, right? Then you need to verify the OTP. Then you are done. Then you need to log in, then fill the form, and you are done. If you are eligible, it means if your resume is shortlisted, then you will receive an online exam from this company. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.